Hey guys, what's up? Uh, Today I'm gonna talk about friendship. So do you know what is friendship and why friendship is important? And is here's any important? Now I'm gonna talk about that. Okay, friendship is like a best gift from our Almighty Allah. If you have a good friendship, then your life can go the far away. You can reach up your destination because of a good friend can help you to reach up, fulfill your dream, reach up your destination. That's why it's very necessary. As well as if you have bad friend, if you have bad company, it can destroy your life also. So it's like if your friend is addicted or a drug addicted, then your friend suggests you all the time the bad thing, bad activities. You already uh, you already involved, involving with drugs and illegal things, stealing and this kind of activity. So and another thing, like if you have good friend, qualityful friend, then your friend suggests you the good thing. Just like your friend is like higher educated one or gentle one, you already it's the natural things that you learned, good behaviors, how to behave, how to study more, how to reach up the destination, how to how to study more and more, how to get a good mark. So this thing so that's why friends is very necessary for everyone, and everyone have friends. So that's why so make friend with the good company, good person, so that your life going to like good, and like your life will be fulfilled of like enjoyment, and with all positive things. So it's very so it's my topic today. So friend. So I have some friend, and I'm proud of that. Just like I have some friend, and they are really gentle. So if I mention, then it will be like some Sulaiman, Shagur, Furkan, and Colin, and so on, and Ashik, and some more friend I have that they are pure, and they never take any smoke, and they never added to bad activities. So that's why I like them, and you can say I love them a lot, and they are suggest me a good thing. So that's why I like them. So guys, never forget to comment below that if you have a good friend, just write down in the comment section, and see you in the another video. Allah Hafiz, bye.